Hello, my outstanding YouTubers, and welcome to you too, if you are here for the first time. Your mind and body presence here is a huge thank you from me to you all. Did you know action creates transformation? Now this year, I felt compelled to share my hypnotic knowledge with you. And I'm so proud to say that in the last 6 months, you have credited my hypnotic education channel with 5,133 watch time minutes, which YouTube tells me that's 2,771 total views. And I got 174 lifetime likes. Not as many as Miley Cyrus or Taylor Swift, I know, but a girl's got to start somewhere. I honestly can't thank you enough. I appreciate your time and your commitment to my little channel. I am so grateful to you. My time on YouTube this year has been beneficial and rewarding for me. And I hope it's helped you to understand the value that hypnosis can contribute to the success and happiness in our lives every single day. Like I always say, practice it and it becomes faster and easier. Now, Christmas can be a tricky time of year for many folk, can't it? Even more so with the spectre of COVID lurking in the background. So if you need a helping hand, please take the time and look back to some of the amazing tips and techniques I have shared over the past few months to spark healing and revitalization for you again. I encourage you to dip into the videos we have shared together. The more closely you listen, the more effective they will become for you. Each week we came together to harness the power of hypnosis because it works. Become that better version of how you are for free. Will you give yourself the gift of playing those videos you loved again and play the ones you may have missed and start to discover why these video tips and techniques can be so transformational? From the bottom of my heart, thank you for being a crucial part of this little community. I really do appreciate it. You have the ability to learn more information step by step to make your life better. So, what does my hypno educational channel create for you? It can help you feel empowered and confident. It can help you with the ability to plan for your future. It can help you take control again. It can help you resolve emotional or relationship issues. It can release you from fear, phobias. It can allow you to realize more choices. It can help you let go of struggles. It can help you sleep better. It can help you to understand life becomes an adventure. It can help you to do your favorite things again. It can help you remember how it is to look good and feel good again. If you don't know me by now, my name is Jules and I am a professional hypnotist. Through the natural power of hypnosis, I can help you create massive breakthroughs, support your aims, and encourage you to achieve your goals. Do you ever get that feeling that nothing is going to change? Do you know that feeling that you're looking for something to change, and unfortunately, it's just too easy to keep comparing things to the past? What would it be like if you could finally shave off those last 10 pounds that have been bothering you for years? Or what would it be like to realize, yes, you have quit smoking yet again? And how much better will it feel when you realize how well you will have done when you never have to say that to yourself again? As one client shared on Facebook recently, the stuff Jules does really does work. Her session blew my mind. So if you would like to add hypnosis to your life-led survival kit, I invite you to stick around in 2022. And if any of my hypnosis little online sessions, or even more of your unique one-to-one hypnosis experiences sounds good to you, then hop on over to outsidetheboxmakeup.co.uk and leave me your email address to receive my free hypnosis ebook, helping you to unlock your own healing potential. So it's Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. Heartfelt thanks to you all. Please like and share. And I look forward to welcoming you back to my hypno educational channel in 2022. Take care and happy holidays. Bye.